welcome to the Amazing Garrett Show. I'm Garrett, and today we are doing something new. As you guys have seen on my playlists, I am building the Hachette Battleship Bismarck. Unfortunately, due to certain restraints, I will no longer be continuing that build. On the other hand, though, a better option for me has been to get the Trumpeter kit of the 1/200th scale of the Bismarck. So that's now what we're going to transition. I'll leave that playlist up, but I am going to start this new playlist. So, kind of give you guys a reference here. So this is what the Hachette model, this is the size it was going to be. I held it up against the bow that is completed for Hachette and this one, and it is 1-to-1. So it'll be really neat. This will give me an opportunity. I'm going to paint the deck a wood color. I'm going to try that first before I buy one of the wooden ones. Kind of give myself, a degree of difficulty with making it look authentic and yet maintaining my artistic ability. So this will be kind of the intro video to this new build. Stay tuned, and issue 1 or section 1 or part 1 of the Trumpeter Bismarck will be up on the site shortly. So this has been the Amazing Garrett Show. I'm Garrett. I'll see you guys later.